Have you ever confidently asked in Kuwaiti Arabic, "Wain al hammam?" when you really needed to use the restroom? Just so you know, if you pronounced it the way that I just did, you're actually asking, "Where's the pigeons?" instead of "Where's the bathroom?" Language mistakes like this can be awkward, but they're also a natural part of learning, and they often make for great stories later. In today's video, we're going to explore some Kuwaiti Arabic words that sound similar but mean very different things. Trust me, you'll want to get these right, or at least be ready for some laughs if you don't. And please, hit the subscribe button, like, and comment so I can continue helping ladies in our community. If you're looking for more guided support, visit us at kuwaitisimplified.com. We're going to start with this classic mix-up because it's one us English speakers make all too often. Hammam means bathroom, but if you say hammam instead, you're asking about pigeons. This next one can also be a little awkward. Jarab means try, as in try this food, but jarab means scabies. Big difference. This one is a sneaky mix-up. Most English speakers might say Eid for both words, but here's the difference. There's Eid, which means hand, while there's Eid, which means celebration. So like when you say Eidkum Mubarak. And you would say this whenever you congratulate people after the month of Ramadan is complete. If you're still struggling to make these sounds, definitely check out our free pronunciation guide linked in the description. Here's another one to watch out for. Asha means dinner, and Isha could be mistaken as evening prayer. One's for your stomach, and the other's for your soul. Here's the last one we'll discuss for today. Jibin means cheese, as where Jaban means coward. So if you're talking about breakfast and you accidentally say Ebi Jaban instead of Ebi Jibin, you're actually saying I want a coward instead of I want cheese. Getting these words right might feel tricky at first, but remember, language mix-ups are part of the learning process. With practice, you'll feel more confident speaking Kuwaiti Arabic, and you'll have fewer mix-ups to laugh about later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.